I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home in Vegas.
I'm currently in Fort Worth, close to the convention center for the Expo. That's the Impressions Expo Fort Worth. And I'm waiting on a friend. We're gonna go together, have breakfast, and talk some business. So while I'm waiting on him, I'm just checking on social media, and I haven't looked at YouTube in a while. But check this out. Oh, guys, crazy, you know. 13,000. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I guess we're gonna keep doing it. But a lot of you are new here, so allow me to reintroduce myself. But first, I owe somebody an X-Tool screen printing kit, and that person is. So it's been a while since I last posted, and there are a lot of new people in here. So for those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Gerald. I am a teacher turned small business owner. 5 years ago, I was teaching robotics and science, physics specifically. And then 4 years ago, we started an e-commerce t-shirt brand. And 3 years ago, because we had extra time that we weren't using the printers, we started a DTF printing business. We did that in the garage. And 3 years later, we are at 4 printers and in our own shop. Hey bro, how's it going?
Camera.
You doing all right?
Yeah, and you?
How's the trip?
Yeah,
I'm doing good. So this is Chris. He's my friend. He's been printing for 17 years. You've seen him before. And that's because we're cooking up some stuff that you're going to be excited about. So Chris, where are we at right now?
We are at Starbucks at the Omni outside the Fort Worth Convention Center. We are here to go to the Impressions show.
We'll see who we see. Oh man. Problem already. So for some reason they can't access Shopify, so I have to see what's going on. Dude, the Shopify dashboard's out right now.
Yeah, what's that mean?
Well, we can't access the back
across
end.
the board?
Well,
Like
that's
for everybody in Shopify?
not everyone, but I've seen that a lot of people are having it.
Yeah.
So of course it has to happen while I'm away too.
Impressions show is all the cool up and coming stuff that's going on in the garment world, garment decorating world.
Yep, we're going in there, check it out, see what's going on, see what's up, and we're going to share that with you. But mostly we're here to just get ideas and connect with people as well. Going on, sir? I recognize that shirt. I was like, I haven't seen his face. This is Chris. How's it going, man?
Going great. Hey, I need to talk to these guys about the machine.
Hey, how's it going, Gerald? Nice to meet you. Look who I found.
What's happening?
How's it going, man?
I'm in your neck of the woods today.
I know, right? Welcome. How you doing?
Doing well.
What you up there? How long are you gonna be here?
I'm here today and tomorrow. I'm teaching 2 classes. I
Oh,
one
okay.
this morning and I'll teach one tomorrow.
Oh, that's cool. All right, man. I'll see ya. Jeremy, DTF Superstore. Guess who's here? Adrian, DTFprinting.com. All right, we got our friend here, Enrique Chavez. Guess who we found? So where have I been these past 3 months or so? Well, if you've been following the vlog, then you know that we just moved to a shop. And I quickly realized that moving to a shop is more than just picking up your equipment, moving into the shop, and then you're good to go. There was a whole bunch of system rebuilding and readjusting and all that we had to do, and all that just took up a lot of my time. So as we were trying to figure out all of these things that would make working in the shop fun and exciting, and something that we look forward to every day.
Hi, friend.
Hey, how are you?
How long does it take for you to ship it out? And how long does it take to get here? No, are you close to the port of departure? Or do you have to deliver there by truck for like a few days or something? I don't know.
I need to check because different shipping company will be have different days.
Right, right. and I'm hardly ever in the shop anymore. And I'm about, let's say, 80% dispensable in the day-to-day things that we do in the shop, which, they say if you're a good business owner and planner, then you have to find a way to duplicate yourself. Good morning. It is 8:54. I'm wearing this hat that I got from the convention yesterday. Thank you, Stalls, for this. I have my first meeting of the day in about 6 minutes. I have 3 meetings today. Two of them are going to be online with the remote teams, and I have a dinner meeting tonight. And that one's going to be super interesting. I'm going to share that with you later on. So we're cooking up some stuff, as I've said before. Hopefully some of these pan out and turn out to be awesome things next year. But we're trying to move chess pieces here and there for an even better 2025. But yeah, the meeting's starting in about 5 minutes. So I'll catch you on the other side. Pag mahaba yung clip, yung talagang sobrang haba, ang tagal mag-upload. Nag-exert tayo ng effort sa edit para ibang flavor siya. And we'll see if it works. That's awesome. If it doesn't work, depende sa feedback, we'll adjust. So si Art ng bahala. But Art, do you get the kind of like what we're aiming for in the thumbnail? So the time is now 1 p.m. on Friday, second day of the Expo. Yesterday wasn't too crowded, which I liked, but I'm gonna go back there to just see, what's happening today and if there's more action. And then I'm gonna have a dinner meeting with some very good friends. But first, lunch. And my truck is here, but I decided to grab an Uber instead because I'm gonna be paying for parking anyway. So I'd rather just give the money to somebody that works really hard for it. Hey, how are you doing?
Great, how you doing, Jordan?
I'm doing well.
One, sourcing t-shirts. Where do you source it from? Because I know if you go to China, you get much cheaper.
For sure.
And also the quality of t-shirts.
Yeah, you like a beautiful day in August.
And we're back. Let's see what's going on.
Like we could do this frequently and end up like the Lawsons.
Still worry about making sure that the printers are working great, and if they're not, fixing them and all that. But for the most part, in terms of printing and doing fulfillment and all of the day-to-day work, we have wonderful people that are working that part of the business for us. And my main responsibility now is to make sure that we're earning enough money so that we can pay them, enable them to take care of their families and their needs. And now all I have to do is figure out ways to keep the business going and growing. And so that has to do with like marketing and sales and networking, and figure out how to do things better and more efficiently.
Staring in your eyes, girl, all I see is starlights. You my top prize, yeah, but we more like, yeah. Friends turn lovers, if they ain't no other.
Hey, how's it going, my man? You doing all right? Doing all right?
Good to see you.
All right, I'm recording today. Dennis, can I put you in the video?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
I'm gonna share something with the vlog.
Okay.
Because Dennis helped so many people, he does not remember me. And I've reminded him a couple of times whenever we see each other, or whenever I see him, I remind him that the reason that I'm still in DTF printing is because he taught me how to cap. Because when I was starting, I ran through a couple of print heads. They would always clog up. And so I reached out to him. He said, yeah, come over. And he doesn't know me, right? He does not know me at all. He doesn't know me still. But he let me try. Yes, sir. I know you meet a lot of people. I know this guy.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Going good. Great to see you in person.
I know.
I'm a fan.
I'm a fan too. I have been watching this guy since I started doing this business, and Now I finally meet him
Indeed.
in person.
How about that?
Yeah, friends turn lovers, if they ain't no other. Love like mine, damn, you shine like summer. Warm up my winters and fall through forever.
So yeah, that is our quick life update, and hopefully you stay with us and hang out with us as we journey through this adventure of growing our business. I hope that we will be able to show you what is possible and relentless, because like I said in the beginning, you know, we started with a cricket, a $200 cricket, and now we have a six-figure a year business, and we're hoping to make it like a six-figure business every month by the middle of next year. And we'll share how we're going to do that through here. Oh yeah, one more thing. We have a free school, SKOOL.